I love Python. It's simple to learn, it's easy to use, and it's powerful. But if you've been following my channel, you already know this. Well, I think it's about time we test my Python knowledge to see how much I actually know, since I have been using the language for about 6 years now. First, we'll need an incognito window because I can't share my internet history with you now, can I? Let's type in Python quizzes. Let's just start from the top. I don't know how easy or hard these are gonna be, and then we can kind of go through. I do wanna say, I wanna end this video with the LinkedIn skills assessment for Python. So if I pass, I get that nice badge, and then companies know I'm a genius, and they wanna hire me, and then I can get a big house, a nice wife, beautiful car, and all my dreams will come true. And thanks to Squarespace for making this video possible. Let's get to it. In Python 3, the maximum value for an integer is 2 to the 63 minus 1. Oh no. Oh, this is like in C, like the bits. That sounds right, 2 to the 63, or is it 2 to 62? I know that there's a minus 1 for sure. Let's go with 63. Oh, but that was removed. Oh, really? This means there's no explicitly defined limit. So I know in C there is like a max value. Otherwise you have like integer max flow and all that. But I guess in Python, there is a max still. I guess it's capped to your machine, not the language. That's pretty interesting actually. How would you express the hexadecimal value A5 as a base 16 integer? Bruh. Base 10 is regular. Base 2, we'd have to convert it to binary. Base 10 would be a regular number. Base, I have no idea. Let's just 70. Wait, what? That's it? Wait, so hex is base 16. Okay, because it says hexadecimal. A5 is already hexadecimal. So to write it in base 16, you just do 0x whatever. Okay, I knew the 0x part. I just didn't remember hexadecimal is base 16. Oh no, see more stuff like this. How would you express the constant floating point value 3.2 times 10 to the negative 12 in Python? Okay, this isn't that bad. This is just scientific notation. So we're gonna have a bunch of zeros and we're gonna have to check how many zeros. All right, so 12, let's see. So we want these many total, which means we can do this, right? Come on, please give me one right. What? Oh, did I miss one? I think this is correct, but okay, this test is not going well. Okay, please, I have to get this one. Which of the following are valid ways to specify the string literal foo bar? Okay, well there's a apostrophe, which means we have to use double quotes. We can do this, yes, that's right. This would be two separate. I think this is right, because it would escape it. No, this would just have like quotes in it, right? I don't know, how would you even do this? What? The last one is right? Why? I'm curious. Is it like if it's matched, it just doesn't show it? Is that what? Oh, okay, interesting. So I guess we could add more, right? How to go to the next question? Write an expression for a string literal consisting of the following ASCII characters. Horizontal tab, okay, that should be this, I think. New line should be ASCII line feed. In ASCII, I think it's just /n. The character with hexadecimal value 7e. Oh man, I don't remember that. All right, this is not good. I'm just gonna, yeah, let's see. I should have taken a hint. Again, that's all it is? I thought they wanted me to find the actual character. I've gotten none right so far, is that true? Which of the following is the correct REPL output? What is REPL? So it should be foo/bar, yes. /n should be new line, so this one, and then baz. And then what is the R? I don't know what this R is, but I feel like it's this, right? Should I take a hint? No, I'm just gonna check. What? Why? I wish they had some explanation. Which of the following is not a Python built-in function? I think it's between diff and isInstance. Is instance looks sus. I feel like it's instance of, isn't it? No! Why can't I get one right? All right, hello world in Python, that's print, easy. Come on, let's go, baby. How do you enter comments? Oh, that's easy. It's // I'm pretty sure, yeah, in Python it's pound. And this is Java, right? Which one is not a legal name? Okay, so I think it's the dash in the middle. How do you create a variable with the numeric value 5? We can do x equals 5 and int. Yep, both are correct. How do you correct? Yep, it's easy. Pi. Floating number. Yep, same thing as the int one. You can do both. Is it correct to output the type of a variable? I think it has to be, right? Because it's a function. So that'd be weird. Yeah, I think it has to be with parentheses. You just use def. Hello is the same as, yep, because single quote versus double quote, that is true. You can use either in Python to return the first character. Is it just sub or is it substring like SUB, STR? I'm gonna go with this one because I don't think it's just sub. Sub sounds like subtraction, doesn't it? Which can be used to remove any white space from both the beginning and the end. I'm not gonna look at the options. That is trim? Yeah, let's go, baby. Oh wait, oh no. Strip the white space. I think it might be strip. I think trim is only the end. I think you can do .to uppercase, right? Replace part of a string. Yep, you can just do replace. Multiply is the asterisk. Compare is the equal. Which of these is a list? You just need the braces. A tuple is with parentheses. A set is also with parentheses. Oh, wait. Let's make sure there's not duplicates in here somewhere. A dictionary is this guy, because you need a key and a value pair. Which collection is ordered, changeable, and allows duplicate members? A list, right? Because you can't have duplicate keys in a dictionary, and a dictionary is not ordered. Sets don't apply duplicates. How do you start writing an if statement in Python? You just do this. How do you start doing a while statement? Yeah, same thing. For x and y, you can do this. For no. Yeah. Break doesn't stop a loop. No, it does. Okay, not bad. 22 out of 25. What did I get wrong? Oh, it's just type, not type of. Not to upper, or is it just upper? Okay. A set is with curly braces. Not bad, honestly. Thank you for giving me some confidence again. What is the output? Salary. It's gonna be salary 12 and then salary 8,000, right? But yeah, you want to be really careful with stuff like this, because this is how you write buggy code. By naming two things the same thing, one is global, one is local. That's a recipe for disaster. But here you're printing the local one, so it should be salary 12,000, and then you're printing the global one, so it should be 12 and then 8. We got 0, 1, 2. Maybe it's like the reverse, so maybe it would be jam, I think. So 0.5 to 5.5 in increments of 0.5. The last one is exclusive, not inclusive, so I think it should end at 5. Where's the output of the following code? You'd want to insert somewhere in the list, not append. Okay, I think this might actually error. Where's the output of the following code? String 1 to 3. All right, I got this. So it's just yn. Where's the output? It's gonna be 10 and then 15. So it's gonna be, oh no, wait. This is not multiply, this is exponent. So it's gonna be 25 and then 125. Yes, you can add the sets. That is true. The sets are unordered, so why would you add 1? You know, that doesn't make any sense. You can just add Vicky, you know, just throw it in there. What is the output of the following code? 10, 20, 30. I think it's just 10, 20, 30, right? I think that's fine. Yeah, you can do this in Python. You can do multiple instantiation and inline. List 1 equals list 2. Oh, okay, wait. There's a difference between equal, and is. One checks if the elements are equal, and one checks if the place in memory is equal. Okay, let's come back to 9. Can we use the else block for for loop? For this, no. You can't do that. That sounds sus. What is the output of the following code? 10, 15, and 1. Okay. So there's gonna be commas. Okay, sure. It's gonna be 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, it's not going to include the last one. The in is used to check, okay, evaluate the truth. Yes, I think that's right. Yes. What is the output of this? James times 2 times 3. So it's gonna be James 6 times, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. What is the output of this? All right, well, PEMDAS again. Oh yeah, because division is float, and then / would be integer division. So I think, yes, this would be with a float. A string is immutable. Yes, it is. What is the output of the following code? 1, 2, 3. In JavaScript, I swear there'd be some funky things. It'll just be like, oh yeah, you meant a number, but no. In Python, it'd be like, no. Which operator has higher precedent? Oh god. Bitwise and. Okay, we'll come back to this. What is the output of the following code? Okay, yeah, you can do this in Python, because that's like the default value. Okay, so we had 9 and 17. Which operator has higher precedence? Modulus, bitwise, exponent, comparison. Bitwise and, so not logical and. I feel like bitwise probably has the highest. Like, why wouldn't it? I think equal test elements and is tests place in memory. So we're gonna say true and then false. All right, let's see how we did. We're not going back and checking our answers. I passed. Before we take the LinkedIn skills assessment, let me tell you about Squarespace. Squarespace offers robust analytics so you can gain powerful insights into who's visiting your site and how they're interacting with your content. You're exposed to metrics like page views, traffic sources, and audience geography. You also have powerful blogging tools at your fingertips that allow you to share stories, photos, videos, and updates. And as you build out your personal brand and business, you can easily gather contributions with PayPal, Apple Pay, Stripe, and Venmo. And you have access to member areas where you can unlock new revenue streams for your business by selling access to gated content, like classes, online courses, or newsletters. Check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Naman for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Now, let's take that assessment. Look at that. You know me, I excel in leadership and business development and apparently data analysis. And I've been endorsed by the same people for everything. Oh, hey, look at that. Pipe 6 endorsements. You know me, 6. That's the most of anything. All right, let me demonstrate this skill. We're gonna pass this. All right, skill assessment. We're gonna do Python. I'm gonna be top 30%. That's easy. And they won't show my results. All right, so if I fail miserably, no one's gonna know that. But if I pass, a big tech fang mang. Come here, baby. You know you wanna hire me. What built-in Python data type is best suited for implementing a queue? List. Easy. What is the correct syntax for creating a variable that is bound to a set? Because we learned from that quiz that we just took, right? That it's curly braces. Usually what I like to do is just put it in set. I don't know if you can do stuff like this, dot set or to set. That just sounds weird. And this is definitely wrong. It would just be set. So I want to say it's this one. What is the correct syntax for defining an init method that takes no parameters? Oh, wait. Oh, no, no. Whoa. Almost got me there. Not class, def, because it's a function. What is the correct syntax for defining an init method that sets instance-specific attributes upon creation of a new class? Yeah, so you need to take in the stuff. So yep, I think this one looks right, because then self.adder1 equals, yep. Mean and average is the same, mode is the most recent, so it should be the median, right? The middle element of the list. What is the correct syntax for creating a variable that is bound to a dictionary? Ooh, I don't think you can do .dict again. Same with toDict, you can just do dict. So yeah, this guy, right? You have some key and value pairs, and then you have curly braces. Okay. How would you access and store all of the keys in this dictionary at once? Not all keys, it's just keys. This guy, right? And it would save my keys would be a list of all the keys. Which mode is not a valid way to access a file? Scan, read, write. Also because whenever I use CSV parsers and stuff, I'm using scans, reads, and writes. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go with append. What is a lambda function? A function that gets executed when decorators are used. Yes, I think that's right. Keyword is anonymous. I hope, unless they're trying to purposefully confuse me. I think the keyword here is anonymous. So what is the output of this code? I think 0, 1, 2. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 4, 5. I think. What is the difference between class attributes and instance attributes? Oh, whew. Class attributes are shared by all instances of the class. Instance attributes may be unique to just that instance. I feel like class variables are instance variables, right? I think they're the same thing. Unless there's some like crazy stuff you can do in Python, I think. Comment is no, I always get confused because that's how you do in Go, and that's what I do every day. It's not this. This is SQL, this is Java, this is Go, this is Python. Okay, lists and tuples. Lists are mutable, yes. Tuples are immutable. I think that's it. Lists can hold several data types at once. Tuples can also, so lists are mutable, tuples are not. I think that's the main difference. Okay, what is the correct syntax for adding a key called variety to the fruit info dictionary that has a value of red delicious? Yeah, this guy, right? So fruit info is the dictionary, variety is the key to the value red delicious. All right, last one. Which command will create a list from 10 down to 1? Example. Oh, this one won't go to 1, right? Because it starts at 10, it goes down, but it's gonna end at 2, I think. Not 1. Okay, so that was close. This would be 1 to 9. Okay, so I think it is this guy. Oh God, I'm nervous. I didn't pass? Damn, all right, well, I don't know if it's cheating, but I'm sure they have new questions every test. So comment below if you know which ones I got wrong, and I'm gonna try to figure out why. Wow, there's a lot of stuff about Python I just didn't know, so it kind of opened my eyes. So yeah, don't feel bad if you don't know all the intricacies, because I've been using it for 6 years and I don't. That's all I have. Till next time, cheers.